Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Python for data analysis. In this series, we will start from absolute basics, assuming that you have no programming background at all. Even if you are revising Python like me, this course will help you strengthen your fundamentals. In this video, we will understand three things. First, what is programming? Second, what is Python? Third, why Python is so popular. Programming means giving instructions to a computer to perform a task. A computer is very powerful, but it cannot think on its own. It only understands instructions written in a programming language. Think of a washing machine. You press buttons, you select wash mode, you set time. Those buttons are already programmed. Programming is like telling the computer step by step what to do. Another example, imagine you are teaching a child how to make tea. You must say, take a pan, add water, boil it, add tea powder, add milk, step by step. If you skip steps, the result is wrong. Computers work the same way. Programming is nothing but step-by-step instructions given to a computer to solve a problem. Now the second question, what is Python? Python is a programming language. It is used to analyze data, build websites, create software, automate tasks, build machine learning and AI models. Python is simple, easy to read, easy to write, very close to English language. Even a beginner can understand what it does. Why Python? This is a very important question. Let us understand why Python is so popular. The first reason is that it is easy to learn. Python syntax is simple. You focus more on logic, not rules. Second reason is that it is used everywhere. Python is used in data analysis, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, web development, and various other fields. So learning Python opens many career paths. And the third reason is that it has huge community. If you get stuck, you need some solution, there are various platforms. For example, Google, YouTube, ChatGPT, and apart from that, many more offering solutions easily. And the fourth reason is that Python has powerful libraries. Libraries are nothing but ready-made tools to perform specific tasks. For example, in the field of data analysis, there are various powerful libraries like Pandas, which is used for data analysis, NumPy, used for calculations, Matplotlib for charts, Seaborn for visualization. We don't need to build everything from scratch. So now we have understood in simple language why Python is so popular. In this video, we have learned what programming is, what Python is, why Python is popular and famous. In the next video, we will start with installing Python and writing our first program. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, we will move step by step, slowly and clearly. That's all in this video. We will meet in the next one. Up and until then, take care. Goodbye. If this video is useful to you, then please like, comment and share. For other such useful videos, you can subscribe now and follow our YouTube channel. To receive the regular updates, press the bell notification. Thanks for watching. We will meet in another video.